How to install Vim on Linux when I don't have root permissions? I've got some troubles when I try to install Vim on Linux while I don't have a root account. The error information is shown below. How can I solve this? Can I install it in another directory other than /user/local/bin/vim?
Make install dstr equals ~/.local, then make a symlink in /bin to ~/.local/bin/vim.
I often install things with /configure prefix equals $home/.local and amp semicolon and amp make and amp semicolon and amp make install, where I'm not root. That's the way to proceed. This works with most software. Vim is in no way different here. Note that in Vim case, I actually configure with the following options, as well: disable Perl interp, enable Ruby interp, enable multibyte, enable Python interp with features equals huge, as I like my version of Vim to be quite complete.
Create local user path. Downloaded latest version of Curses from here, this URL. Installed Curses. Clone Vim repo with Install Vim with Set path with
Step 1. Make install dstr equals ~/.local, make your local dir if it is not present. Step 2. Export path equals $path:\remote/user/your username/.local/bin.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.